Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning back to watch my video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make simple but delicious snack. Please stay back and watch to the end. Thank you. In a bowl, I will break in 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of water, and also half cup of vegetable oil. Then mix everything together. I will continue mixing until everything is dissolved. See, everything has dissolved. I will be using 3 cups of flour. My flour is sieved. Make sure you sieve yours before using to remove unwanted particles. Then I added a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can use cinnamon, you can use any flavor of your choice. You can also use vanilla powder. Then mix it to form a dough. At this point, I added more water and more oil. You can continue adding it until you achieve the proper dough, and this is the consistency we need. Add flour to the surface and begin the cutting process. At this point, I will be kneading the dough using a bottle. So if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a bottle and you will still get same results. To my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and share with family and friends. Thank you. So this is the thickness I want, and I'm going to cut it into my desired shape. If you don't like this cut, you can give yours your desired shape. So continue this process until you are done cutting it. This is the thickness, you can see. This is just how I want it. The most important thing is the mixture. The way you cut it is not a problem. Now I'm done cutting it, and this is what we have ready to fry. My oil has been heating for a while, so I will begin the frying process. Your oil doesn't need to be too hot. If not, it will burn on the outside without cooking properly in the inside. Turn it from time to time to make sure it cooks evenly. Once you get your desired browning, then you take them off from the oil. And this is how I want mine. I'm going to take it off now. You continue same process until you are done frying everything. Guys, you can see the crunchiness. You can enjoy this with hot chocolate tea or any drink of your choice. This is also a very good business idea. If you're living in an environment where there are schools, or you can also make it as a roadside business. You can also make it for your family, and I know everyone that will taste it will love it. And for mothers who are thinking of what kind of snacks to give their kids to school, this is another beautiful idea for you. You can prepare this for your kids, and I know they are going to love it. Adding this into their lunch box, including some fruits and other peri-peri, believe me, they will love it. Give this a try. No child will see this and resist it. If you watch this video to this point, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your comment and share. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thanks, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.